Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with another parcel. So I just received it from Temu and I'm going to check what's inside. Actually, I know what's inside because I got a delivery message from them, and it came when I was leaving home to drop my children to school, and I have already checked the message and I know what has come. So this is basically my juice dispenser. It looks small. I thought it's going to be bigger. But let's see. It is supposed to have, I think, 3-liter capacity. And this is the base stand. Plus this is my free gift. I ordered this by accident, and you don't get a chance to change the order when it's the free gift. So I was actually scrolling through and my son just came to say something to me, and accidentally he clicked this and this was finalized. So these are 3 small pots. They don't look bad, but this is like plastic. I would probably not put it in on decoration stuff. This might work in the kids room or maybe in the washroom or somewhere. You see, it's this quality, but it came for free, so not bad. Okay, now let's open this. Okay, so I ordered a plastic one. I had a glass one in my cart for very long, but then I was doubtful that what if it breaks, because I'm very clumsy and I keep on dropping things. So I didn't want to risk it. This was actually the same price as the glass one, but in the pictures and reviews it looked like glass. So I took a chance, and let's see. So this is the lid. I thought it has a golden lid, but this is not golden. But it has a golden tap and holder, I suppose. Okay, so there's a teddy bear top, and then this looks good. This is the tap. These are the, okay, I got a screwdriver. This is actually a nice thing. I can use it for other stuff as well. So I will fix it and then I will show you probably in the next video, because I'm getting late for somewhere, or I'll see if I can fix it and make another video, and then maybe like join both the videos and upload them together. So we'll see about that. Okay, this also gets connected here. Looks nice overall. Let's check the tray. I'm glad that it's not broken. And this was delivered fast. My other parcels that I ordered after this are not delivered yet. As in, the parcels that I ordered before this are not delivered yet, but this one is, which is a good thing. Okay, this also has golden attachments, but the gold color is different. You see, I don't know if it's visible in the video or not, but this is like a little more orangish and this is a little more yellowish. I think it's not visible in the camera, or maybe it is a little, but they do look different anyway. These are 2 trays. It looked bigger in the pictures. Okay, how am I supposed to connect it? I think this needs to be screwed or something. Let's see if it has screws. Yes, it does have screws. So it will take me some time to connect it, and once it's done, I'll show you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so I have assembled it. It is acrylic, but it's good quality. It has golden tap, and this is metallic, I think, the holders and these rods. I screwed all of this together. Then it has a golden top and it has a bucket handle, so you can lift it up like this. Yeah, this looks just amazing. I'm very happy with this purchase. Perfect.